Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video you're going to learn the difference between even if and even though, and then we'll test your knowledge with a short quiz at the end. If you do like the video, please hit like and subscribe to see more. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Let's get started. Let's start with even if. This means whether or not, and it is used to talk about unreal conditional situations. You can think of it like if yes or if no. So if I do this or if I don't do this, the result will be the same. Even though means despite the fact that. It's used to emphasize an unexpected or surprising situation, and you can think of it like, which is surprising because. So let's take a look at some examples where you can see even if and even though together and how they are different. First one. I won't pass the exam even if I study. Now here, I haven't studied. I'm probably not going to study, but if I do, I won't pass the exam. If I study, I won't pass the exam, and if I don't study, I won't pass the exam. I didn't pass the exam even though I studied. I didn't pass the exam, which is surprising because I studied. Now, I just want to draw your attention to an important difference here. With even if, I haven't studied, the action has not happened. It is unreal or hypothetical. But with even though, I studied. The action did happen. It is a real situation that is surprising. Let's see another example. She would buy the house even if they raised the price. They haven't raised the price, but if they did, she would still buy the house. She bought the house even though they raised the price. She bought the house, which is surprising because they raised the price. So again, with even if, the action has not happened. It is unreal or imaginary. But with even though, this is a real situation that is surprising. They did raise the price. Let's have another example. He would still work even if he won the lottery. He hasn't won the lottery, but if he did, he would still work. He still works, even though he won the lottery. He still works, which is surprising, because he won the lottery. And again, even if looks at an imaginary, unreal situation. But even though looks at a real situation that is surprising. Final example. I wouldn't eat the whole cake even if I wanted to. So here we're saying I don't want to eat the whole cake, but if I did want to, I wouldn't do it. So if yes or if no, the result is the same. I didn't eat the whole cake even though I wanted to. I didn't eat the whole cake, which is surprising because I wanted to. And again, even if looks at an unreal, hypothetical situation, but even though looks at a real, surprising situation. Now, let's take a short quiz. So, read the question, pause the video and think about your answer, and then check your answer. I left home early, I missed my train. Even though I left home early, I missed my train. This is a real situation. I missed my train. This happened. And it's surprising because I left home early. She says she loves him. They've never met. Even though, again, she says she loves him, which is surprising because they've never met. So this is a real situation that is surprising. I'll call you when I get home. It's very late. Even if. So this is an imaginary situation. I will call you. Even if it's very late. It might be very late. It might not be very late. If yes or if no. I didn't have breakfast. I was really hungry. Even though. I didn't have breakfast, which is surprising because I was really hungry. So this is a real situation that is surprising. You ask really nicely. She won't let you have her toy. Even if yes or if no, if you ask nicely or if you don't ask nicely, she won't let you have her toy. This is an unreal situation. You asked really nicely. She didn't let you have her toy. Even though. So in this case, this is a real situation. She did not let you have her toy. And it's surprising. You asked nicely, so it's surprising that she didn't let you have the toy. You call early, you still won't get a ticket. Even if you call early or if you don't call early, you still won't get a ticket. This is an unreal, hypothetical situation. For more English lessons, then take a look at my channel. And if you do like the content, then please like and subscribe to see more. See you in the next video.